Hello students, now we are going to study blood vascular system, one of the method of transportation in animals. In a previous video, we studied open circulation and closed circulation. After that, in detail, blood vascular system. Blood vascular system consists three important components: blood, heart and blood vessels. Blood vascular system is composed of blood, heart and blood vessels. Now, first component in detail, that is blood. Study of blood is called a hematology. What is a hematology? The study of blood is called a hematology. Now see, you are very familiar with this. Blood is a red color. It is red colored fluid, connective tissue. In last year, we saw the types of connective tissue. In that, there is a fluid connective tissue, and example is our blood. Here is given also, blood is red colored fluid connective tissue which is derived from embryonic mesoderm. आठवतंय का बघा, तीन germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. In that, from embryonic mesoderm, our blood is formed. That's why it is called it is derived from mesoderm or embryonic mesoderm. तुम्हाला सर्वांना ब्लड माहित आहे, पण या ब्लडच्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स तुम्हाला माहित आहेत का? व्हॉट आर द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द ब्लड? व्हॉट इज इन इट? हे सगळं आता आपण या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मध्ये बघणार आहोत. ॲव्हरेज ब्लड इन अडल्ट, लोकांच्या मध्ये किती ब्लड असतं? जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन. अडल्ट हॅज अबाउट 4 to 6 liters ऑफ ब्लड इन हिज बॉडी. लक्षात ठेवा, आपल्या प्रत्येकाच्या शरीरामध्ये साधारणपणे 4 ते 6 लिटर एवढं ब्लड आपल्या शरीरामध्ये असतं. दिस ब्लड इज स्लाइटली अल्कलाइन. ज्या वेळेला पीएच मध्ये बोलायचं आहे तर द पीएच ऑफ द ब्लड इज 7.4. pH of the blood is 7.4 means it is a slightly alkaline. Do you have test of the blood? तुम्ही कधी ब्लड ची टेस्ट केलेली आहे का? ब्लड चाकलेलं आहे का कधी? Yes, it is a little bit salty. थोडंसं salty असतं आपलं ब्लड. And it is a viscous fluid. असा चिकट थोडासा ते आपल्याला स्पर्श केल्यानंतर जाणवतं. म्हणजे ब्लड इज अ साल्टी अँड विस्कस फ्लुइड. इट इज हेवियर दॅन वॉटर. पाण्यापेक्षा ते जड असतं. इट कन्सिस्ट 2 मेन कंपोनेंट्स. अवर ब्लड इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 2 important components. First, that we see liquid part of the blood is called a plasma. It is about 55% of total blood, and remaining 45% in the blood are formed elements or blood cells, RBC, WBC and platelets. Means our blood is composed of 2 main components. One is the plasma and another is a formed elements, means blood vessels. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood. ते लिक्विड आहे. पाठीमागे आपण रेस्पिरेशन मध्ये मी बोललोय तुम्हाला, ते लिक्विड पार्ट आहे. आणि त्याच्या मध्ये ज्या सस्पेंडेड ब्लड सेल्स आहेत, ज्या तरंगत असलेल्या पेशी आहेत, these are called formed elements. These are the characteristics of the blood. Blood average in adult 4 to 6 liter it is a slightly alkaline, it is a salty and viscous fluid, it is heavier than water, and it is composed of plasma and formed elements, or in other words, blood cells. Now students, we are going to study in detail plasma. What is plasma, or what is in that? Just I told here, plasma constitutes 55% of the total blood. जे सगळं जे ब्लड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 55% हा भाग या लिक्विडचा म्हणजे प्लाझ्माचा असतो. इट इज अ स्ट्रॉ कलर. स्ट्रॉ मराठीमध्ये लाकडाचा भुसा, लाकूड ज्या कापल्यानंतर जो भुसा राहतो त्या रंगाचा हा आपला प्लाझ्मा असतो. इट इज अ स्ट्रॉ कलर like blood. It is a slightly alkaline pH about 7.4 and viscous fluid. Next, what is in plasma? Students, in our new textbook here on page number 164, composition of plasma is given in a tabular form. Composition of plasma is given in tabular form, but I here give in statement method. See here, it consists 90% of water. आता या प्लाझ्मा मध्ये किंबहुना आपल्या या ब्लड मध्ये ब्लडच्या लिक्विड पार्ट मध्ये काय काय गोष्टी असतात हे आपण बघणार आहोत. पहिली गोष्ट, सगळं जे 55% प्लाझ्मा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 90% भाग हा कशाचा आहे? पाण्याचा. प्लाझ्मा consists about 90% of water. It consists different proteins. काही प्रोटीन्स आपल्या या प्लाझ्मा मध्ये असतात. त्यांचं प्रमाण आहे 7 to 8%. प्लाझ्मा consists 7 to 8% proteins. Which are those proteins? कोणकोणते? काही उदाहरणार्थ नाव इथे दिलेले. अल्बुमिन. अल्बुमिन means white of egg. अंड्याचा जो पांढरा भाग असतो त्याला अल्बुमिन असं म्हणतात. In that the protein is present is called albumin. That albumin is also found here. Then another protein, globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin and proferdin. These are the proteins which are present in the plasma and त्यांचं प्रमाण किती आहे? संपूर्ण प्लाझ्माच्या 7 ते 8%. Plasma consists some inorganic salts, about 1%. 1% या प्लाझ्मा मध्ये inorganic salts असतात. For example, NaK, Mg, Ca, Fe, etc. These are the inorganic salts which are present in the plasma, but they are only 1%. It also consists some food components, energy components like glucose, amino acids, etc. जे आपल्याला एनर्जी देतात ते एनर्जी देणारे काही पदार्थ ग्लुकोज आणि अमायनो ऍसिड सारखे सुद्धा या ब्लड मध्ये प्लाझ्मा मध्ये असतात. इट ऑल्सो कन्सिस्ट वेस्ट मटेरियल. इट ऑल्सो कन्सिस्ट waste material like urea, uric acid, creatinine. After metabolic processes going on in our body, some waste is produced. That waste is also present in the plasma like urea, uric acid and creatinine. It also consists different types of enzymes, hormones, vitamins. Plasma also consists different types of enzymes, hormones and vitamins. Very important. Plasma consists anticoagulant. रक्त साकाळू न देणारा पदार्थ. It is a heparin. Plasma consists heparin. Heparin is one of the anticoagulant. And last one, in plasma there is a cholesterol, there is antibodies, and very important, dissolved gases O2, CO2 and N2 are found in plasma. This is the whole composition of the plasma, means what is in it. त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय आहे हे मी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी सांगितलं. Students, after plasma, we are going to study second part of the blood, that is formed elements. Just we saw 45% of formed elements are present in total blood. What is mean by formed elements? तयार झालेले घटक. The blood cells which are produced in our body are collectively called formed elements. म्हणजे ज्या आपल्या रक्तपेशी आहेत, ज्या आपल्या शरीरामध्ये तयार होतात, त्यांना फॉर्म्ड एलिमेंट्स असं म्हणतात. You know very well that is there are three types of formed elements or blood corpuscles or blood cells are present in our blood. That is red blood corpuscles. These are also called in short RBCs, or in other word erythrocytes. These are also called erythrocytes. First blood corpuscles, red blood corpuscles, in short RBCs or erythrocytes. Then second blood corpuscle or formed element in our blood is white blood corpuscles, in short WBCs, or these are also called leukocytes. WBCs are also called leukocytes. And last formed elements which are present in our blood are platelets. These platelets are also called thrombocytes. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. These are the three types of formed elements or blood corpuscles are present in our blood. In next video, we are going to study in detail all these three formed elements, that is RBC, WBCs and platelets.